Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analyses. Today, we're diving into the galaxy far, far away with the best Star Wars cupcake set on the market, the 25 Darth Vader Cake Topper Cupcake Toppers Cake Decoration Set. This set is a must-have for any Star Wars-themed birthday party or fan gathering. Crafted by Kicibay, it brings the iconic Darth Vader to life in cake form, making your celebration truly epic. Let's delve into what makes this set stand out from the rest. The set includes a striking Darth Vader-themed Happy Birthday cake topper and 24 accompanying cupcake toppers, ensuring every sweet treat is infused with the Force. The cake topper measures approximately 6.7 by 4.6, while the cupcake toppers come in at approximately 2.36 by 2.3. What sets this set apart is its premium quality. Made of double-sided black glitter thin cardstock, the cake topper is not only visually stunning but also durable and reusable. Each cupcake topper is double-sided printed, expertly cut with a specialist cutting machine, and pre-assembled with food-grade paper sticks, ensuring easy usability and longevity. In conclusion, the 25 Darth Vader Cake Topper Cupcake Toppers Cake Decoration Set is a must-have for any Star Wars enthusiast. With its premium quality, stunning design, and customer satisfaction, it's the perfect addition to your next celebration. May the Force be with you as you indulge in these delectable treats. That wraps up our review of the best Star Wars cupcake set on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.